This is my current setup and I hate it. My desk has a broken tray and I've had it probably since I was in primary school, so it's been a very long time and definitely needs replacing. I hate how you can see all my junk. I love the look of my 1X chair, but because it's leather, it's not the best for the hot Australian summer. So come along with me to give my setup a much needed glow up. We are doing a quick little IKEA stop. I got the OG IKEA meatballs and my boyfriend had the audacity to get fries with his IKEA meatballs. I mean, who does that? Mash is always the right way to go. I was inspired by my friend's setup to get one of the IKEA trolleys because it saves so much space and you get extra storage. They had all these different colors to choose from. I went with white, as white furniture helps open up a room a lot more, and I especially need that being in a small bedroom. I spent ages deciding where to get my desk chair from because chairs are so expensive nowadays, so I am so glad I took the risk and got it from Amazon for $150. It's way comfier and half the price of my last chair. Let's unbox my JBL speaker, which was also gifted by my boyfriend. I was so indecisive on what speaker to get. It literally took all these years. I don't have any speakers on my computer, so I just use my headphones, and I think that's how I ruined my last headphones, was that I would just blast them out loud on the max volume, which I learned you're not supposed to do that, and literally took for someone to gift it to me. Oh damn, the packaging is crazy. Sound you can see. This thing is really heavy, by the way. These are just some manuals. Look at this compared to me. It's freaking huge. This thing is so heavy. I learned from one of the IT girls that I used to work with. She said, don't get your typical PC speakers that plug into the computer. Instead, get a portable speaker and then you can place it anywhere in the room. And then when you actually need a speaker when you're out with your friends, like going to the beach or having a pool party, you can just bring this along and it's actually got more use. I also want to reiterate that you do not need to buy new things every year for your setup. This is just once every now and then for me. Like literally, I will explain to you guys. This headset I've had since either 2016 or 2017. That is a really, really long time. And you can see it's literally fraying on the edges, and it was really good while it lasted. The sound stopped working as well. It would sort of glitch a lot, and that's why I've replaced it, but it did work really well. I literally had people say to me that my microphone was so good that they wish everybody else would announce their names first before they spoke, because they could tell who I was but nobody else. And also I'm replacing these. I've had since 2020, and the keyboard has started to lag. It kind of like takes turns on which keys are going to lag every few weeks. So at the moment, the number 1 is actually lagging, but before it was the letter A. And I have my mouse, which the paint is also chipping. So everything is very pre-loved. I've used these items for so many years before finally deciding to replace them.